Your address and verified. Please. Hi everyone, good morning. Today's video, we're not going to go to the store or do some groceries for the store or travel, but I'm going to show you on how to verify your Google AdSense without receiving your PIN. There are requirements in order for you to do that. You need to resend or request your PIN 3 times. That's the minimum 3 requests. I did the 3 requests and they allow me to do the alternative way on how to verify your Google AdSense. For me, they sent it March 11 and then it's already July 3rd now. And I don't have my PIN yet. So I was so worried and frustrated for the past months. It's so hard if you're living in the Philippines and in a remote area because usually the PIN will not come. So this is the way, or I'm going to show you now how to verify your PIN. Let's do it. So the first step we are going to do is go to help button here. Just click this 3 dots here. You can click here and click that help. Let's try. This is my first time doing it, guys, so I don't know if we can verify my Google AdSense, but let's just try. And then it says that go to the 3 dots and choose help. So that we already done that. And it says here, yeah, due to the COVID-19, I think one of the reason why I don't have my PIN yet is because of this delayed. The COVID-19 really affect every single offices in the whole world. So here we are going to do this. Let's try to PIN troubleshooter. So click that PIN troubleshooter and are your earnings greater than your verification threshold? Say yes. And have you received your PIN, or to receive your PIN, say no. You don't, because we don't receive our PIN yet. And have you already requested 3 replacement PINs? Yes. So, okay, so the next step is you'll have 4 months from the date your first PIN is generated to enter into your account. If you haven't entered it after 4 months, we'll stop showing ads on your pages. So the next step, guys, is please contact us to verify your account. So click this contact us. Okay, then put your name, personal identification number. Please note that we're unable to verify your PIN manually until 30 days have passed since we've issued the 3rd mail PIN. We ask that you kindly contact us in relation to your PIN after the period of the quicker resolution. So this is what we can do. It's good that you have this one because, so I'm gonna put my name in there. Okay, and that's my email address. Google ID publisher, so we can go to this. It's in the account. Oh, it will load slowly because my connection is not good. So here's my Google ad publisher. Let's copy this, Control C, and put it in here. So, okay. And then after that one is choose file, submit an attachment. When filing out the form below, please make sure that the touch clear is visible. It's like a government ID or card. Let's see. Let's choose file. Here, so choose file, and then you can click submit. Click submit, and let's see. The form has been submitted to ADSENSE support. We'll try to go back to you within 24 hours if your queries about your own account requires an action from our side. However, depending on the volume of the message that we receive, it may take up to 48 hours. So let's wait 24 to 48 hours before we can go to our email. They have it there already. If we don't have the, if we have it there and we're so lucky, but if not, oh, here. We have it here. So, ADSENSE support. As precautionary measure, Google and Covenant. Thank you for contacting the Google AdSense support, a special investigating your issue, and will reply as soon as possible. So this is our email. Now that you have verified your address, I'm verified. Please ensure you've completed these additional steps on getting paid. So that's it, guys. So I'm verified. So we just verify our Google AdSense for those who don't receive their PIN. So you guys don't have to worry about it anymore since they have an alternative way for you to verify your PIN. So I just verify my PIN, resend your PIN whenever you can, and then do these steps. Hopefully, guys, this video will help you or can help you verify your PIN, and I hope you will learn from this one. And see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.